So hello my dear YouTube family. My name is Parth and you are watching Must Watch Tips. And today I'm going to show how to make this image like this in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see, this is a poster of a model which I edited in Microsoft PowerPoint, and the original image was like this. So within few steps I was able to complete this poster using Microsoft PowerPoint and some tools and techniques. So without wasting time, let's get into this video and start making this poster like a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to start with, let us take a new blank presentation and let me delete this. And now let us go to design and let us choose a custom design with A4 paper size and with ensure fit. So now it is kind of looking like a poster. You can choose any dimension of the slide area, and you need to have this high quality image which you are going to edit as a poster. So I'll just take this one as a reference. You can take any photo of yours, make sure that the photo is in high definition quality. And now what we are going to do is let me just make it somewhat bigger so that we can focus on the face of this particular image. So we'll go to picture format and let us crop this to a size. Let us select this, and now we can zoom a bit in this particular photo. The next task of mine is to duplicate this image. So I'll select this image and press Ctrl D, and now I have exactly two same image in the same slide. Now it's time to add a text box, and I can write anything over here. So I will write model over here. Let's say you can type girl's name or the person's name which is there in the photo, and let us increase the size to 196, 115, 138. Okay, this looks good to me. And now let us change the font type and make sure you take those font for which the thickness is in good amount. So for an example, you cannot take this one or maybe this one because the thickness of font is less. And for now, let us take this one, and I can no, so 138 would be fine. And now I need to convert this text box into a shape. So what I will do is I will insert a shape. You cannot directly convert this text box into a shape, so we will go by a trick. So I will make a rectangle over here with no outline, and I will send this to back so that the text box comes above. And now I will select the shape and the text box, and I will go to merge shape option, which you can find over here in the title bar if you have added this in the quick access toolbar, or you can find over here in the shape format in the insert shape menu. So here we will select intersect, and here you can see that this is now converted to a shape and I cannot edit this anymore. I can type anything in this because it is a text, but I want to be able to modify the text which I have written here, that is the model. So now what we will do is we will merge it with the one of the image which we have just made. Let us bring this to front, and let us say I wanted to merge it with this image right over here in this left side face of this person. So I will select this image, and by holding shift button I will again select the text box. Then I will go to this option of merge shape and I will select intersect. And now you can see that one of the image, you can see here that this is only the first image which you have just copied, and this is the another image which we took which we copied just after we imported this image. And now it is embedded in the text box which we have just provided. Now our majority of the steps are done, but for this one, for the one which we have just merged, we will go to picture format, and in the picture border we will select the thickness of 3 points and a color of white, so it will look like this. Now the last step, or the second last step, is to insert a shape over here. So for that we will go to insert, and in the shape you will find freeform scribble shape. So we will take this one and we will make a random shape over here like this, which will be filled with white color and with no shape outline. And now this will be arranged to this will be arranged to in between the cropped image, which is this one, and in the whole image, which is this one. So it will look like this. You can see that if I move the shape like this, it is changing the frame of the image. And after selecting this both, you can choose to convert this image into black and white like this, or else you can take the original color image as well. But from my point of view, this black and white looks more of a professional edited image, so I will go with this one. And now let us insert a shape where I will select this one, rounded corners rectangle, and just to make uh, a stylish image over here, I will just select a shape like this, and I'll fill it with a red color with no outline. And let us reduce the transparency to 41%. And this is looking nice. And to make it more professional, what we can do more on this is go to insert shape, and we can take a triangle. If I'll place it over here like this, I can cut this image uh, like this, so it will be kind of a cut over here in the photo of this particular person. And if you want to add a gradient in the background, you can add a gradient like this. And here we go, my dear friends. We have completed making a poster, and if I go to presentation, it will look like this. And boom, we have made this beautiful and amazing looking poster just using Microsoft PowerPoint within few minutes. So I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, do visit our channel.